Here's how to transfer files PC to your Samsung Galaxy or from Samsung to your PC. All you have to need, connect your phone with computer with the charging cable that comes with your Samsung Galaxy device. Once you connected your phone with your PC, on your display you will get this notification, allow access to phone data. Just tap on allow. Then your phone will be connected with your computer. Now on your computer, open the File Explorer, and in this left-hand menu, under this PC, you will find here your Galaxy device. Just click on your Galaxy device and open internal storage. And here, once you are in your internal storage, just open the folder, which folder contains your files that you want to transfer to your computer. For example, so I'm just opening my DCIM folder. In this folder, opening the camera folder, and here's I'm just copying bunch of different photos to transfer to my computer from my device. So I've selected these 3 photos, then I'm just clicking on this any of the selected photos and just clicking on copy. And then on my computer, I'm just browsing the folder or directory where I want to transfer my device or phone files. Then just pressing Ctrl V to paste. And here's I've successfully transferred my phone files to my computer. Now let's see how to transfer something from our computer to our Samsung device. Do the same thing, just go ahead and navigate to the folder, which folder contains your files you want to transfer to your Galaxy device. Then go ahead and select one or multiple files, photos or videos or anything you want to share. Then just select, after selecting, press Ctrl C or Ctrl X to copy or cut. Then go to your device folder and go to internal storage. Open the specific folder in which folder you want to copy something from your computer. Once you're in the specific folder, just click on this paste option, and your computer photos or files will be shared to your device. And you can simply from your computer select those files you want to share to your device, and after selecting, right click any of the selected files and just tap on show more options, and here hover over on send to and select here your Galaxy device, and those items will be automatically moved to your Galaxy device. So as you can see, that's how you can do it.